So this is the blend file that you uploaded. I downloaded it and I went through the link. So the problem here, I'll show you. Uh, Click here and just check the face orientation, because uh, I suspect that there might be some reverse flip normals. So because of this shading error over here. So I'm expecting some flip normals. So first of all, I'm going to check face orientation, and as I expected, you can see this is red, and red is not good. Blue is fine. Red, it should be inside, and blue it should be facing outwards, and red should be facing inwards. So this is not good. And I guess I know what caused this problem. What you have done is, I'll repeat this. Okay, so I'll go into the local mode in the cup. Just for example, let us delete this face. Okay, now you can see inside it is red color. So I think by mistake what you've done is you've taken the inner surface, this polygon, one of the polygon that is on the inside, and you extruded it like this, and hence you're getting the red color, and because of that your shading is not proper and the UVs are not proper. So let us undo this and I'll show you how to rectify this. Yeah. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to delete this part. I'll go into the local view, Alt Z. I'll just select all these faces and delete them. Okay, delete faces. So we have some faces left yet. Just select this, delete faces, and there's still one. Delete faces, and there are edges. So select these edges, delete edges. What's happening? Yeah. And here also you'll have to delete the faces. One and this one. So just X, delete faces. So you can see face orientation. So you can see this outer face is intact. What you did was, by mistake, you extruded this face. So what we are going to do now is go into the edge mode. First, okay, you've seen I not control click. I alt click this edge, so all of it is selected, all the four edges. Just press F to fill this face. F. So this face is filled. So there's only one problem, that your geometry is a little disturbed. Grab Z. Okay. And there's some issue over here because you have multiple vertices. Here you can see. So what I'm going to do is A merge by distance. So there were multiple vertices. So now it is totally fine. This is also fine. This is open. So what we can do is, again, control click the edge and press F to fill it. So now we have restored the mesh to its original state. Now what we are going to do is select this face, as Andrew said, just use the spin tool. Okay, so my blender crashed. So just fill this face and alt click here and fill this face. So we have restored the mesh to the state before we make the handle. Also, we'll have to merge by distance, you can see 234 vertices were overlapping. There was some issue with your geometry. So now that we have rectified it, what we are going to do is just hold this one. Okay, my blender crashed. So we were here. Let's alt click the edge, fillet. Yeah. Again, alt click this edge and fillet. I'll have to enable screencast keys. Got this screencast. Perfect. Okay, so my blender is crashing when I try to use this pin tool. So what I'll do is I'll just extrude it multiple times, then control right click, then rotate it. I'm going to do it manually. You can do it the way Andrew taught. So now we have this handle. Of course, this is not very ideal. Grab to just make it a little thin, a little more proportionate. Yeah. So what we are going to do is just delete this face, delete this face. Then you can see there are many vertices that are just floating around. There was some issue with your vertex, with your geometry. That's fine. We can always tackle them. There's some free floating geometry. Okay, it's over here. Delete the vertices. Okay, now we're just going to select these and F F F F. F. This is also done. So your cup is all done. Of course, it is not perfect. That is your job to make it perfect. I'm just showing you what the problem was. So your cup is fine now. So your main issue was UV unwrapping. So let's unwrap it. So first we are going to unwrap it over here. Right click, mark seam. Okay, as you mentioned earlier, this edge. What is the problem? Merge by distance. There are still some stray edges, stray vertices. Okay, let's see if it works now. It's not working. No issue. One, two, this mark seam. Now we can do it manually. Mark seam. I forgot to show you. Yeah, it's all working fine. And just get one more edge and mark seam. Okay, I'll just select this one, mark seam, and over here. Okay, you know what? I'll do this one, mark seam, and just remove these ones. Exactly where the base starts, we'll use that edge as the seam, clear seam. Okay, so this should work fine. You unwrap. Let's see. Okay, so now ours is looking quite similar to his one. Okay, so I hope you understood what the problem was. There was some problem with the geometry because you extruded this inner surface, inner polygon outside, so it was reversed and it had a red color when we checked the face orientation. It should be always be blue. I hope you understood this. I'll be sharing the blend file also so that you can go through, or you can just take the file right away, take the cup right away and just put it in your project. I hope this helped you. Bye bye.